Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Mahian Jalil. Today I am going to show you how to lock my Facebook profile in my mobile. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. First I have to go Facebook. Okay. Then I have to log in because my password is saved, so it's easily go to my Facebook profile. So I have to go my Facebook profile. Here you go. Now I have to go this sign, and here you can see lock profile. Now you have to lock your profile by pressing lock your profile. After that, your profile is locked. So now nobody can see your profile because your profile is locked. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.